What can be used to thicken cheesecake filling?
Hello there, and welcome to our guide on thickening cheesecake filling. A well-made cheesecake is a real treat, but getting the perfect texture for the filling can be a bit of a challenge. The key lies in using the right thickening agents, and today, we'll be diving deep into just that.
What is the role of a thickener in cheesecake filling?
Thickeners play a crucial role in cheesecake filling. They help give the cheesecake its iconic dense and creamy texture. Without a good thickener, the filling might be too runny or watery, and that's not what we want when we're aiming for a perfect cheesecake.
What are some common thickeners for cheesecake filling?
When it comes to cheesecake filling, the most common thickeners are cream cheese, eggs, and starch. Let's understand each one. 1. Cream cheese. This is the primary ingredient that gives cheesecake its unique texture and flavor. The amount of cream cheese used directly affects the thickness of the filling. Most cheesecake recipes call for a significant amount of cream cheese. 2. Eggs. Eggs are a natural thickener. When cooked, the proteins in eggs coagulate, helping to set the cheesecake. Too few eggs can make your cheesecake too soft, while too many can make it firm and custard-like. 3. Starch. Some cheesecake recipes call for a small amount of starch, like flour or cornstarch. This can help thicken the filling, especially if you're working with low-fat or non-dairy ingredients. Starch also helps to prevent the cheesecake from cracking.
How to use these thickeners?
To achieve the perfect consistency, you'll need to carefully balance these 3 elements. Start by beating the cream cheese until it's smooth and creamy, which is usually easiest when it's at room temperature. Gradually add in your eggs, one at a time, making sure each is well incorporated before adding the next. If you're using a starch, sift it into your batter and blend until it's fully incorporated. Be careful not to overmix, as this can introduce too much air into the batter and lead to a less dense cheesecake. And there you have it. The secret to a perfectly thick cheesecake filling lies in the balance of cream cheese, eggs, and possibly a touch of starch. By understanding the role of each of these ingredients, you're now equipped to make a cheesecake with the ideal texture. Happy baking, and we hope your next cheesecake turns out beautifully.